Hello and welcome class 7 students. Today in this class I am going to show you the division of algebra which is given in exercise 11 of the algebra portion of your arithmetic book, of your math book. So in this exercise 11, the total exercise comprises of the division sums of algebra. Today we will start learning how the sum actually works. So today we are going to start with exercise 11. Now exercise 11, one by one we will solve the sums and then you can understand how to divide algebraic expressions. Now the first sum given is 25xyz divided by 525xyz divided by 5yz. You have to do this division. Previously we have done the multiplication, but here we will do the division. See how we will do this division. Now 25xyz is given. You have to divide this with 5yz. Now you will see that the numerator and denominator, whether they are matching or not in case of algebraic variables. If they are matching, if they are same, then it will cancel, because we know that 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. So if 2 by 2 is written, we generally cancel it because 2 ones are 2. That's why if similar terms are there, similar or like terms or similar algebraic expressions are there, yz is given in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So we will cancel yz. X is only variable which is remaining in the numerator. And 25 can be divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. So ultimately what is remaining in the numerator is 5x. So 5x will be the answer. 5x will be the answer of the first division given in the book. Let's see another division. Suppose it is given, say for sum number 2. In sum number 2 it is given that, minus 64x square yz, minus 64x square yz divided by minus 4xz, minus 4xz. This is given. So, how will you divide? Let's see. Minus 64x square yz you will write in the numerator, and minus 4xz you will write in the denominator. Minus and minus being same will be cancelled in case of division. Minus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled because minus 1 ones are minus 1. That's why minus 1 and minus 1. Numerator and denominator having same symbol cancels each other. So minus and minus cancels out. 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. So 16 is coming when we are dividing 64 with 4. Now z and z will cancel because they are having same. And here x square y and x is given. Now normally what we do is we subtract the numerator, the variable in the numerator with the variable in the denominator, and then do the cancellation. Here x square is there, here x is there. So x square minus x gives x square minus x if you do it. If you deduct x square, and x means x to the power 1. So if you deduct x to the power 1 from x square, what is remaining is x. So normally you will do the minus. This will cancel and 1 will be there. Remember, 2 minus 1 gives you 1. You are doing 2 minus 1. 2 is in the numerator, 1 is in the denominator. So 2 minus 1 gives you 1. And y will not cancel because no y is given in the denominator. So y will not cancel. So answer will be 16. X to the power 1 is there because x square and x to the power 1 has cancelled out to give you the result x. So 16x or x to the power 1 will be there and y will be remaining since y had not cancelled in the denominator. In the denominator there is no y. So in this way you will go on doing the division. I hope you are understanding the sums. Now let's move on to another sum. That is sum number 4. See, in sum number 4 it is given that minus 20 a cube b6 c7 minus 20 a cube b6 b to the power 6 and c to the power 7 divided by 4a square b to the power 4 c square. 4a square b to the power 4 c square. This is given. You have to do the division. How will you divide the variables? Variables will be subtracted. Variables will be subtracted. Minus 20 divided by 4, that is okay. But variables in the numerator is given a cube, denominator is given b to the power 6, numerator b to the power 6 and numerator c to the power 7. In the denominator, whereas in the denominator it is given a square b to the power 4 and c square. You will subtract the numerator and the denominator. You will subtract the denominator from the numerator and write the answer of the variables. First let's solve the numericals, the coefficients. 4 5s are 20. Here minus is there, single minus is there in the numerator. There is no minus in the denominator. So answer will be minus 5. And what we will write in the place of variables? We will subtract the variables. We will subtract the variables of the denominator from the numerator and write the answer. A cube minus a square, b to the power 6 minus b to the power 4, that is 6 minus 4, and c to the power 7 minus c square. In this way you will subtract the denominator from the numerator and write the answer. Then it will be easy for you to write the answer. The first one will be a to the power 1, which means 5a minus 5a, b to the power 2, b square, 6 minus 4 is square, and c to the power 5 because 7 minus 2 gives you 5. So the answer is coming minus 5 a b square c to the power 5. A b minus 5 a b square c to the power 5. In this way you are going to do the divisions. This is just the beginning. This is just the starting of exercise 11. In my next videos I am going to come up with more sums of division. Exercise 11. So follow the classes, follow today's class and start doing the division because it is there in the first unit test examination, which will be held in May. So please start. This is the last exercise of the first unit test examination. Start doing these sums. I have just started this. In my more upcoming classes, I am going to provide you more division sums so that it will be helpful for you to solve the sums of exercise 11. Till then, goodbye.